everyone, hope you're well and welcome to today's video. So today I wanted to share with you my makeup tips for when it is as hot as hell outside and you still want to wear makeup because, you know, let's be honest here, we still want to wear our makeup, we still want to look amazing. So this is my everyday fresh summer makeup. It's light, it's fresh, it's gonna take you through summer in a breeze. It's effortless, it takes no time at all, and I think you're gonna love it. So carry on to see how I created this look. So for when the weather is hot as hell and you step outside and you're just gonna melt, this is just the best, the most amazing makeup that you can do, honestly. And it's light and it's fresh and it's natural. Okay, beautiful. So I've already prepped my face. I've used the bareMinerals Skinlongevity serum, and then I've gone in with the bareMinerals Combo Control Primer. And now we shall begin. So bareMinerals Complexion Rescue, I use the shade Natural 05. And I use a stippling brush like this. And all I do is I will pour onto here, onto the brush. Oh, come on now. Oh. This is running out. Do you know how many of these I've gone through? Okay, so a blob like that. I put it right onto my stippling brush because it doesn't soak it in. And then I just dot. Oh, get back into focus. Get back into focus. Yeah, so then I just dot it on each area of my face and then I just buff it in. This has SPF 30. It gives the most beautiful glow to skin. Like, I mean, beautiful. I just buff that all over the skin. And there's just something about this that just is magical on skin. It's just so, it's not even, I can't even say, it's got like, I can't even say it's got coverage. For me, it doesn't really have coverage, but it has color. So it kind of smooths out imperfections. You can layer this up if you want, but I just do one pump or one squirt and I just do a light layer all over just to give my skin a bit of color. Okay, I then like to go in with concealer, and I've been using my Nars creamy light concealer, whatever it's called. This is in the shade Custard, and I like this because it's not pale white, it's kind of skin color. And what I do is I just start to go where I want to cover. So I've got pigmentation here, so I'll pop a bit there. I'll pop a bit on the centre of my nose, top of my lip, and I've got pigmentation here. If I've got any blemishes like there, I'll just kind of dot where the blemishes kind of stick out. Sometimes I use my finger, sometimes I use a sponge. I think I'm just going to use, I think I'm just going to use just a brush. No! Oh God, why am I not prepared ever? I like set everything out. I'm like, oh no, I've changed my mind. Okay, so I'm going to go in with just a stippling, another sort of stippling brush, just to tap in, because I don't want to really rub it and I don't want to absorb it with a sponge or anything. So this, I'm just literally just tapping in. This is a brilliant concealer actually for concealing blemishes. I don't much like it under the eyes, but for every day it's fine. So I'm just going to go tap the under eyes and then go over the eyelid as well, just to give a sort of uniformed kind of look. I mean, this Complexion Rescue just makes you look so fresh, it's like unreal. So can you see now how that's like, that concealer's just taken out any redness without having to put too much on. Then, before I set everything, this is what I've been liking doing. It's really weird, but I like doing it. I like putting on my bronzer straight afterwards, before setting. It just seems to work this way. I've got the bareMinerals Invisible Bronze in the shade Fair to Light, and I just use an angled brush like this, and I just rub my brush in, and I've just literally been, it's such a light bronze, I've just been bronzing just like this over the tinted moisturiser. I don't know what it is. I just like doing this. This is the makeup I've been doing literally every day. I go down my nose, kind of over the top like this, so it looks a little bit sunburnt, under the chin, just at the top here, around the edges. And because it's so light, I feel like I can almost go all over the face, but I just use it to get a little bit of definition. That's all I do. I then go in with, I like to use this on my eyes as well, so I'll take just a fluffy brush like this, and I'll go in with the same bronzer, and what I'll do is I'll just go over my eyelids. Again, it's so light that it just go underneath, always go underneath because it just looks so nice. You can, again, just build this up because it's so light. You just cannot go wrong. Just build it, build it, build it, and you get this really nice natural, kind of use this to a bit of contour, really nice natural kind of look. Then for blush, I've been loving the MAC Melba, and I just use the same brush that I did with my Complexion Rescue, and I dip that in and I put my cheeks, and you get this lovely peachy fresh glow. I mean, like seriously. And then I'll put it in my eyelids just to kind of give it a uniform look. I like to do that. Bit on the nose. Peachy keen jelly bean. Okay, then now I like to do a bit of setting. So I will set with just Original Mineral Veil. And I'll just tap some in the lid like that, making a mess, as you do. And I'll just take a bareMinerals brush, and all I do is just blend that all in. Just to, you know, again, set my concealer basically is what you want to do with this, but it's so light and it just kind of airbrushes everything. And it just kind of, and it doesn't, what I like about this is that it doesn't take away the glow of the Complexion Rescue, because if you put anything else on top, it really does take the glow away, and you want to keep that glow, baby. You want to glow. Next, highlighter. Again, bareMinerals, love this. This is the Invisible Glow, and again, this is Fair to Light, and it just looks like this. What I have been doing is putting this on with a sponge. So when if I'm doing my concealer with a damp sponge, I'll use this damp. This isn't really damp, so I'm going to just spray it with some PIXI Glow Tonic. No, PIXI Fixing Mist, Makeup Fixing Mist. So it's nice and damp. And then, this is what I've been loving doing. Just on the cheekbones. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. And I just take it, just so I get a beautiful glow like that. It's just, look at that. It's just fresh, it's natural, it gives skin a beautiful glow. Take it up onto the forehead a bit, top of the lip, and you just get the most gorgeous glow ever. Amazing. So that's my complexion done. Once I've got that on, I will then put my PIXI Makeup Fixing Mist over the top because I want to fix it all. And what I love about this, it's hydrating, but also when you're doing your makeup and it's hot and you're already sweating, this is just going to cool you down. Like, this is just going to cool you down. And your makeup is just going to sit beautifully. Oh, I like to do all of this first, so all my complexion done first. Then I will go in with mascara, You can do liner and stuff. This is bareMinerals Lashtopia. You can do liner and stuff like that if you want to, but you know, it's hot, you might not be fussed. Then for lips, I like to go in with a really peachy shade. This is Nicki Nicki's Nude VIVA GLAM. I think you can still get this, but what I like to do with my lipsticks in hot weather is do this. I like to pat it on. So rather than rub, I'm patting. And this gives a really nice, you know, lived in look. It's kind of part of your face. So, or you can just rub it on like this, right? This is another way to do it. Rub it on. Take your finger and smash it like this. And it just gives, can you see? It just gives this natural look that's not overlined, it's not overdone. It just gives this bee stung look. So tap it in like that. So then you get a really nice, gorgeous, natural lip without having to worry about keeping your liner on, keeping it neat and tidy. And that is it. It's fresh, it's light, it does not come off. The more you sweat, the better it looks. And you just look healthy and glowing. You look like your skin. It's just amazing. I've worn this in like hot heat and I'm surprised at how it's held onto the skin. It doesn't get cakey, it doesn't get chalky, it just sits beautifully. And like I said, the more you sweat, the better it is. And during the day, if you want to refresh, just go in with your PIXI fixing mist. It cools down your skin and it refreshes your skin. And the amazing thing about bareMinerals, this is what I love, right? Say you've got this face on all day and you're about to go out in the evening. All you'd have to do is buff on your original foundation and you are good to go. Everything works so beautifully together. It just works and it becomes part of your face and you don't look like, you know, an oil painting or a canvas. You look like you. Do you know what I mean? So I really, really love that. So yes, that's my makeup for when it's as hot as hell outside. Let me know what you steer to and what you like and how hot is it where you are. We're enjoying a lovely hot summer here, so yeah. I hope you're well, I hope you're having a great week, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Subscribe to me on my channel and Instagram and all of that good stuff because, you know, it's nice. Have a good day. Bye.